Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon puff. Hey, and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's episode is how to draw a cartoon puff. He's one of my little FriendFish characters. All right, let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now is creating the circle for his body shape, and that crosshair once again to indicate where the eyes and the mouth, in his case. He doesn't have a nose. So I'm working on the eyes. Start off very lightly, getting a little darker right now, shading that in, getting a little secondary eye in there. As you can see, the perspective, that's a little different shape, oval, and it's kind of like wrapping around the ball, kind of more dimensional. It's not the same shape. All right, looking good. So now let's work on his little mouth. And this character is named Puff, as you know, and he is an artist. And right now he's going to be doing some autographing. But a lot of times artists use their tongue when they're drawing. That's why he's sticking out his tongue. Let's work on his eyebrow right there. All right. And the other one, a little special note about this little character, Puff, he has over 300 emojis that were created for an online company at one time. So you should check them out. All good. So now we're beginning the shape of his body, which is a very simple. It's just like little spikes. I'm just using that circle to give me the foundation of the area. And then I'm just going to work my way all around and just create these little half circles going all the way around his body. And I go back and forth. All right. He's an easy one to create. I'm going to have several of these during the holidays to show some of those emojis, because this was not one that was used, but there are many others that I'm going to play up with, so you can check them out. All right, let's get that. Let's work on his fin right now. Kind of holding the paper down. Okay, let's get that fin all the way up. There we go. All right, and if you want to know more about my FriendFish series, that's friendfish.biz, B-I-Z. You should check it out. All right, let's get the other fin on the top. And there we go, the two little lines, three, there we go, to indicate where the little veins are. Okay, get the other one, there we go. These are his back two fins right now. And he has a little two dark spots on his sides there. Let's shade them in. There you go. All right. Okay, let's get the other hand worked on. But before, I got to get the object, which is a crayon. He's actually signing a crayon right now. So let's get that shape in there. All right, and then we'll know where to put the fin. So it's a little bit easier doing it that way than starting as the fin and adding the shape in. Okay, and let's get the underneath there, like he's grabbing it. Okay, that's a little crayon. Okay, let's create the design. And when I'm finished with this one, it will be inked in Illustrator and colored in Illustrator. I'm not going to be putting this into Photoshop. All right, let's work on that paper. All right, and if you didn't know, crayons can color underwater, because here's proof if Puff can work on it. So I'm just shading in some contrast in some areas on the crayon so we can separate from him, his fin, and his face there. And let's just do a little zigzag for his little signature there. Shade that in. There we go. And a little lighter, looking good. Let's darken up some of the areas right now. It's looking good. All right, that completes another video. So let's sign and date and share it with your friends. And thanks for watching again. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio. And on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.